Okay, so today we're going to look at the days of the week in Spanish. Now, the first day is domingo, 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 which means Sunday. Our next day of the week is lunes, 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 which means Monday. Then we have martes, 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 which is a Tuesday. Afterwards, we have miércoles, 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 which means Wednesday. Then jueves, 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 which means Thursday. Then we have viernes, 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 which is a Friday. Then we have sábado, 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 which is Saturday. Are you able to recall and translate all these days of the week? You may pause the video and write down your answers, and then play the video again to check your answers. So let's go over the answers. Domingo is Sunday. Lunes is Monday. Martes is Tuesday. Miércoles is Wednesday. Jueves is Thursday. Viernes is Friday. Sábado is a Saturday. So these are the days of the week. Make sure you practice pronouncing all the words. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share as well. Thank you.